Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. This is a new company for us. It's these 3 little boxes. I really expected to have more boxes in this or bigger boxes in this. So I'm a little curious at the size of these items, but there's supposed to be a whole bunch of items. So this is a new company. It's kind of our first time buying from them. We want to know what you think about these products. Do you want us to get more? Because this is definitely a company we can reorder from. So we're really excited about that. But I'm really curious why the boxes are so small, so let's go ahead and unbox everything in here. I'll show you each and every item. We will make them available on hookedonpickin.com, and so let's get to unboxing. All right, I'm getting lazy in my old age, and I'm sitting down on the job. So
Heather's not lazy.
Yeah, Paul never says I'm lazy.
You're not lazy.
I just am like, you know what? We're gonna sit down on the job and do this unboxing.
Bone in your body.
Nope. I run 100 miles an hour till I sit in my nice new comfy couch. We don't have recliners anymore. We have a couch.
It's kind of a reclining couch, though. I like that.
It is a reclining couch. But now I get to sit right next to Paul, which is the best. Okay, I'm going to pull these out before I skewer myself, and we end up with a nightmare in the middle of this video of me bleeding to death, running to the ER. It'd be like a whole thing.
It'd be a whole thing.
It'd be highly inconvenient. So I'm just going to move those out of the way. So, okay. What in the world? They look like just blocks of wood. Okay.
They do look like blocks of wood.
What did you buy here?
Random blocks of wood.
Okay. I'm going to try to, oh, okay. We can just do this. We need some like overtone music. La 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 la. Just unwinding. And the next 20 minutes will be us doing this to this package. Right? Oh, okay. It didn't take 20 minutes. Thankful for that. Okay, let's do the other side. Ooh, there's colors on it. I peeked. There's colors. Okay, let's find out what's in this one. This is oddly satisfying.
Is it?
It is oddly satisfying.
Are you enjoying yourself?
I am enjoying myself.
Do
I have a good smile on my face like I'm enjoying myself?
You look like you're having a great time.
I am. This is a blast. Okay.
All right, let's do this.
Now, what is the surprise under all of the... Oh, are these like little decor blocks?
Look at that, Heather.
That's beautiful.
You got the farm scene.
So we got, looks like a bunch of those.
That is amazing.
1.
Got the little barn.
2.
Got chickens. Billy Jacobs. I think Billy Jacobs, whoever Billy Jacobs is, good job. Well done, sir.
So that we
or
have 5 of those.
5 of these. That's pretty. I like that.
It's beautiful. Okay.
It's just on wood. I like it. Looks like pressed particle board. If mom says no, ask grandma.
True statement right there.
That is a true statement.
Yep. Looks like we got 5 of those.
Lettered in line is what it says. If mom says no, ask grandma.
Yes.
That's very true.
It is very true. Grandma will always say yes.
I'm assuming you treat your grandchildren way different than you treat your children.
Have you ever looked at your father and mother and went, Mom and Dad would have never let us do that, but they let our kids do it?
That's true.
Yeah. Name one. Do you have a story of one instance? Eating in the living room.
Just about anything and everything.
Eating in the living room.
Yeah, just non-stop.
Non-stop. Yep, you can do that.
Everything.
Yep. So, all right. If mom says no, ask grandma. Ooh, this is a double stack. It's much heavier. Let's see if I can get a hold of this here. Pull it out. Ah, there we go. All right. I think I might just cut this one because it's lots of unraveling. Well, I don't know if I can. I just don't want to scrape the product. I think I can pull it away far enough to cut it.
Good call.
Okay.
Although you did seem like you were having a lot of fun unraveling.
I was.
So we got 2 We got a farm scene and
you know,
Mom says no, ask grandma.
I'm leaving them face up. We can look at all of them at the end if you want.
That's a beautiful idea.
So I don't know if it's all signs, but we're gonna see. Well, that makes sense. They just packed it really tight.
Yeah.
So, because that's literally all that was in that box. So I'm just gonna move
the boxes were heavy, and now we know why.
There we go.
Don't take too long, or everyone will think you're pooping.
Mm-hmm. That's a true statement.
That
if
is
ever I
true.
heard one.
Don't take too long or everyone will think you're pooping. You could put this in your bathroom,
Yes.
you know?
I love that. I love that so much. It's so funny.
That's awesome.
It is a truthful statement, though. We're classy here at Hooked on
We are
Pickin.
classy.
Classy.
Poop salesman.
Does. All right, then we have this one. Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound, with an old country-style chapel.
This is a lot more refined than the pooping one.
It is. I mean, we got to kind of balance it out.
Amazing Grace. How sweet the sound. I find these churches fascinating, you know. It was built just for worship and
That's it. No Sunday school
no
classrooms.
Sunday school
no
classes,
fellowship
no
hall.
fellowship hall. Now, I have preached at some churches similar to this size, and they would still do potluck fellowships, but it would always be outside in the summer.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Which was kind of a neat thing. There would always be a fairly large yard, and they would do that, or they would go to the city park and they would do it there. So
That's
it was
cool.
pretty though. Nice. Let's see, the artist is Billy Jacobs again. Good old Billy.
Good old Billy Jacobs.
Oh, look at that.
Now we have warm summer, and it has a 76 flag, distressed flag on
See if I
it.
can get it so I can get the glare off there for you. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't
And
it?
that one now stands up
Yeah,
vertical.
You do that. Or you could hang them if you really
You could
wanted
hang
to.
'em, yep.
They don't have like a hanging hole there, but it wouldn't be hard to put one there.
The easiest thing that I would suggest with these is, because it's particle board, you can get those little claw
Yeah.
things you put on the back of picture frames, and literally all it is you just get that, you take a hammer and just tap it in, and it should tap right into this pressed particle board
Yeah.
really well.
Warm summer.
they're-
Billy Jacobs.
They're made to just be set like on a table if you want to.
I think I'm a Billy Jacobs fan.
Yeah. Are you?
I think so. I like it. I like the art style.
Okay, so is it going to be classy or not classy? Let's see.
Not classy is what I'm going to go with. Yep, not classy. 5 stars. Would poop here again.
You know what? If you got a clean bathroom,
Yeah.
it'd be cool to have that.
Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
So we have really beautiful, nice paintings or
Poop signs.
poop signs.
Yeah,
But it makes sense because you see a lot of these little signs in the bathrooms too.
you do. You do see. You know what? I would totally put that. If I had a restaurant or a
It has to
like
be
a
a mom and
retail
pop
store.
restaurant.
Oh yeah, yeah.
We have a
that'd be really
bathroom
cool.
here. We could put it in there.
We could. We should. We had a sign, and I don't know where it went, and it was so funny
Somebody
because
threw it away, I think.
I think somebody threw it away,
Yeah.
but it said, "Please don't do Coke in the bathroom."
Yeah.
But it had, but then we would put like a can of Coke next to it. Like we
true.
didn't mean Coke.
It's true.
So
I'm not sure that's what the sign meant. but
no, I think it meant
We got
drug
that in a pallet one
paraphernalia.
day. We get all manners of weird things in
We do
pallets.
get all manners of weird things in a pallet. Okay, trying not to break myself.
To watch those staples.
I know, I'm gonna pull them out. Don't those look?
The staples
Those
of
are wicked.
death. Copper staples. That staple's probably worth $1.37.
Probably. I mean, you can get one of these staples instead of stealing catalytic converters.
There you go. Please don't steal Cadillac converters.
That happened to our church van of
I
all
know
things.
It did.
I'm gonna pull all of these out.
We were
since I'm
going to take a
standing.
bunch of folks to see Christmas lights at New Year's Eve.
And we turned it on, and it was super loud.
And I'm like, what is wrong with the van? And the Cadillac converter was gone.
Yeah, someone stole it.
Ripped the whole muffler and everything out of there.
All right,
It was sad.
we're going to satisfyingly unwrap this one. I'm gonna do that with the narrow ones because it's satisfying. Okay, in this stack, probably has 2 different kinds. Classy or not classy? What's your guess, Paul?
Or
Or mid.
don't
mid-level.
ask, if mom says no, go ask grandma. What would you call that? It's kind of like a mid.
I think it's funny.
It's more proverbial.
proverbial, yes.
Proverbial.
It's your proverb of the day.
It is somewhat truthful,
It's very truthful, I believe.
but it's not.
Oh, leave in the comment section below what you allow your grandchildren to do, or what your children are allowed to do in Grandma and Grandpa's house that would never be allowed by your parents.
That would be good too.
Yes, I would like to know those things, because I want to see if it's true.
Really, anything written on these boards, we need your answers for.
Yes, we do need your answers. 5 stars would poop here again.
Yep.
Okay. Ready? Ready for it, Paul?
Yes. Oh.
Amazing Grace.
Amazing Grace. Look at that. Is this all the words? Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like
It is.
me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. That is awesome. People are going to buy that for sure.
Oh, for certain.
I love that. We sang Amazing Grace not too many, was it this Sunday? Last Sunday?
Yeah, we sang it for
I
closing.
think we did sing it
Yep.
for closing song Sunday. The Lord is my shepherd. I will not be in need.
Oh, that's a different
He lets me lie
version.
down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters and restores my soul. Yeah, it's a different version. It's probably more NIV, probably.
NIV
Or
or
Holman Christian.
English Standard or one of those.
ESV could be ESV too.
Yeah.
Psalm 23, 1 and 2. They try to correct it, not correct it, I should say. Try to make it more to understanding it.
For
the King
today's
James
vernacular.
Is, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
He leads me.
And so the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. A lot of times you think, why don't I want the Lord? No, it's I won't be in want. I won't have any need.
Right.
So that they're clarifying, I will not be in need because of my shepherd, the
Yeah.
Lord. Anyway, there's your Bible lesson for the day.
There you go.
I would say those are still nice
Those
and
are
classy.
very nice and classy.
We've got a church, Amazing Grace. We got
a good
Psalm
variety.
23,
A grandma proverb
a grandma proverb,
and poop signs.
poop signs, and then country signs.
Yes.
That's
We
God
cater
bless
to all.
America. That's how it works here.
Yep.
Welcome to Hooked on Pickin.
Right.
That's how we roll. These look a little smaller.
Yeah. Oh, they are smaller. Yes.
Oh yeah,
Is that a goat?
it's a goat wearing a
Rain
hat
boots.
and rain boots.
Yeah, absolutely. Everybody needs that in their life.
It's a cute goat, isn't it? Though.
It's a very cute goat.
Is that Jacobs again? Old Billy Jacobs. Did Billy Jacobs strike again? I don't
It's
see
not
any
signed.
signature on that one. But nice. Oh, we got a chicken.
And just so you know, we have 5 of every single one of these. So if
Is
you
that
want
it?
more than one,
5 of each
yeah,
item?
5 of each of these, of every single one that we've opened so far.
I mean, they look really nice.
Yeah.
Is that Billy Jacobs? Where are you at, Billy? Nope. Don't know who it is, but they did a good job.
This one has a signature like right along that post.
Oh, God bless America. It's what we always say.
Yep.
Got Cardinals. And we got
Red
a
flowers.
signature.
You know what? These flowers look like the flowers we have out in front of our store.
It's true. It was meant for us.
Yep.
There's the signature. Something maybe Ketter. Nice. I love this.
I know that
I've
was.
seen
that's
I've
really
seen
cool.
a painting like this before. I might have seen this painting. I thought that was really, really amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty.
The U.S. soldier kneeling at the cross. I had several friends that went into the chaplaincy.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got to be a crazy kind of guy going into war without any kind of weapon on you. Chaplains aren't allowed to carry weapons.
That's what they have. They actually have a position called a chaplain's assistant, and the chaplain's assistant is the one that carries the weapon. Because they trained at the same base that I did for vehicle mechanics.
Did they?
Fort Jackson is where the chaplain's assistants for the
Fort
Army.
Jackson's where they go?
Yeah, it's where the Army trains their chaplain's assistants.
Cool.
Most chaplains are.
I think
officers.
James has thought about that a little
He's
bit.
thought about it a couple of times.
You have to have a seminary degree to be able
Yep.
to go to it.
Have to have, yeah.
But
There we go. All right, and we have. Oh, that kind of goes with that other one.
oh, more of the chickens.
Yeah. So this one is the other chicken we just showed you.
Yeah, very similar.
Yeah,
I love the country scenes though.
I do too.
Really, really nice country scenes. Oh, we got some Highland cows.
Highland cows. They're so popular now. Okay, I had this whole conversation with somebody that goes to church with us that I think that Highland cows need to be an emotional support animal because they're so cute, and every time you see a Highland cow, it makes you smile, and so it helps your emotions.
Do you know what next year's Vacation Bible School is?
It's the
Highlands.
Yeah.
It's like an Highland.
It's because they want to use
and
Highland cows.
You're going to have Highland cows in next year's VBS.
That would be amazing.
That would be awesome. I know teenagers that have hair just like that.
Yes, absolutely. Speaking of Vacation Bible School.
Oh, there it is.
It's all about Jesus.
That's cool.
It's very cool.
The Good Shepherd kind of scene a little bit there. I like that. That's nice with the sheep. That would be the sheep. That would be this little darker sheep right here.
Because you got all dirty because you ran into...
Black sheep. That's what I am.
Oh,
right
really?
Yep, right there. But see, Jesus, I'm still close to Jesus, so that's cool. I like it. Cool, I like that.
That's pretty.
America the Beautiful.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's nice.
Cute little decor.
We got some
pieces.
Americana.
Yep.
In here too. That's nice. Got some Americana.
Some Bible verses.
Christian-based ones.
Got some proverbial ones.
Proverbial grandma ones.
Cute country scenes.
Yep. I really do like the country scenes.
I love these. These are great. I think we should buy everything from this company because so far everything I've seen is amazing. So leave in the comment section below too, what's your favorite sign?
Yeah, I think they come in packs of 5 is what they do.
Yeah.
I think, if I'm not mistaken.
So you always have to buy the pack of 5?
You can't exactly buy just one. Was that a thank you note? Did they put a thank you note in there?
Kinda.
Kind of?
Yeah, it's just like...
Sort of
see what's new. Like you can see
a
that.
QR code.
Yeah. Okay, we got some longer ones.
3 more groups.
Couple more short ones.
They have...
There. Okay.
They got 5%
Okay.
on your phone.
All right. We'll probably
We might be able to do it.
Yeah, we'll see.
All
right.
battery's about to die.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
All right. We're unraveling. At least our life is not unraveling. Just the...
That's true.
Yep. Oh, look at that. Okay, ready? Which one is this one? Oh, that's cute.
Oh, the cat and the bluebird like that.
That's really
nice.
cute.
It's kind of more of the country scene a little bit.
Yeah, it is.
Lisa, what's that say? Lisa Hilliker, maybe? So a different artist. Still like it.
Yeah, that's cool.
Gotta love the cats.
Gotta love the cats.
Oh, you're getting fancy with the twirling.
I am. Fancy unraveling.
Fancy unraveling.
Okay, ready?
Hey, we're on vacation right now, I believe.
We are.
Oh,
It's an Americana Highland cow. Oh
wearing star earrings.
There you go. He is snazzy.
Look at that guy. Or gal. Guy, gal. Not sure. Don't know. Don't know my Highland cows that well.
Okay, last ones. We've got the butterfly.
Butterfly.
And the frog.
Butterfly and the frog.
How cute are those?
Those are great.
All right, so tell us if you love this company and you want us to order more different styles. Ask us for anything you want, like if you want more cats, dogs, all that kind of stuff, because we'll see if we can find it. All right, thanks so much for joining us on this fun unboxings. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.